Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of firearms to unveil the 10 most successful and iconic pistols ever made. Get ready for a journey filled with history, innovation, and precision. Have you ever wondered which pistols have shaped the course of history with their unparalleled success and influence? Today, we're not just revealing the top guns, but also the stories and features that have made them legends. Kicking off our list is a true legend, the Colt M1911. Designed by the brilliant John Moses Browning, this pistol served the U.S. military until 1985, when it was replaced by the Beretta. But its legacy didn't end there. Chambered in .45 ACP, the M1911 wasn't the first of its kind, but it was the most successful, directly influencing the safety and reliability of commercial firearms. It participated in countless wars and became an icon in movies, video games, and even cartoons. Its profile and dimensions are instantly recognizable to military personnel, law enforcement, and civilians alike. Even today, various iterations of this model are still being produced, cementing its crucial role in the evolution. From the Soviet Union, we have the Makarov pistol, developed during the Great Patriotic War. Nikolai Fyodorovich Makarov created a 9x18mm cartridge, more powerful than its predecessor. Adopted in 1951, this pistol stood out for its simplicity, durability, and accuracy. Its compact design and reliability keep it in use by law enforcement in Russia and several other countries around the world. In 1993, the German company Heckler & Koch introduced the USP, a pistol designed to suit both civilians and military or police forces. Featuring a polymer frame reinforced with steel and corrosion-resistant parts, this pistol boasts excellent recoil reduction and numerous customizable modifications. Although its size might be a drawback for concealed carry, the USP is renowned for its reliability and accuracy in over 20 countries. Developed in the 1990s, the Walther P99 was designed for law enforcement and civilian use. With its modular design and multiple automatic safeties, this gun ensures safe and efficient handling. It's used in over 10 countries and is manufactured under license in Poland and the United States. The P99 is valued for its compact size, lightweight, and outstanding precision. Originating from Czechoslovakia in 1975, the CZ75 was initially designed for export. Despite not being officially adopted by the military due to its non-standard cartridge, it gained popularity for its reliability and accuracy. With numerous clones produced globally, the CZ75 has become one of the most beloved and used pistols, especially in countries like Israel, the United States, and Turkey. From Belgium, the FN57 stands out with its unique 5.7 by 28mm cartridge, designed to penetrate body armor. Initially available only to military and police forces, its civilian version was launched in 2004. With high-velocity rounds and excellent ergonomics, the 5.7 is a preferred choice for special forces in over 20 countries, including the United States. The Beretta 92, created in 1972, became the weapon of choice for the U.S. Armed Forces in 1985. Its popularity soared due to its reliability and precision, selling over 100,000 units annually. Although some find its size and weight disadvantageous, the Beretta 92 remains one of the most used and cherished pistols worldwide. Introduced in 2014, the SIG Sauer P320 is a modular pistol adopted by the U.S. military as the M17. Its design allows for quick adaptation to different calibers and body types, making it extremely versatile. With a perfected trigger mechanism, the P320 is known for its accuracy and high rate of fire, making it popular among law enforcement and civilian markets. In 2004, the Beretta PX4 Storm is an evolution of the Beretta 8000, designed for self-defense and law enforcement. Featuring modern polymer materials and a rotating barrel, it offers smooth feeding and minimal recoil. Its durability and reliability have been tested with over 150,000 rounds fired without damage, and it's used by law enforcement in at least 11 countries. Finally, in the number 1... Finally, in the number 1 spot, we have the iconic Glock 17. Designed in 1980 by Gaston Glock, this pistol revolutionized the firearms world with its use of durable, heat-resistant polymers. Quickly adopted by the Austrian military, its simple and efficient design made it popular worldwide. With over 30 countries using it in their law enforcement agencies, the Glock 17 is renowned for its reliability, ease of maintenance, and exceptional combat performance. There you have it, the 10 most successful pistols in the world. Each of these firearms has not only proven its effectiveness in the field, but also left an indelible mark on history. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and activate the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Join our social media channels for the latest news and share this video with your friends who are passionate about firearms. Thank you for watching, and until next time.